Hey kids, I'm in the kitchen again tonight, and tonight we're going to make some Ahi Tuna Steaks with a soy sauce and toasted sesame oil sauce. Let me show you what we got out for the cook. I have some coconut liquid aminos, some toasted sesame oil, some agave, some cayenne pepper, and some black pepper. So I put all of our ingredients in this little bowl here. I'm just mixing it all up. You can add a little salt if you wish, but since we're trying to watch how much salt we eat, we're not going to put that in. I'll just put a little bit on the top, finishing salt, when we're done. Got my griddle warming up for our sear for our tuna, and we'll see how that goes here in just a minute. So I put my Ahi Tuna Steaks on my meat board, and we're going to just pat them dry a little bit. Get some of the extra moisture from the packaging. And we got the griddle, the skillet heating up, just a medium skillet like that. And we're going to put some of the toasted sesame oil in there for this part of the cook. The griddle is up to temp. And we're going to put in some toasted sesame oil, just a little bit. Swizzle that around a little bit. Put our tuna right in. Turn that down just a hair. And now we're going to slowly take and drizzle our sauce over top. I'm going to save a little bit of it. And this is going to cook pretty quick, but we want to make sure that the temperature is not too hot, because we don't want to scorch it. So we'll turn the temperature down a little bit on the stove, and then watch our meat here carefully. When it lifts up, we should be ready to flip. So I've turned the temperature down a little bit because I don't want it to scorch, and see how it's lifting up pretty easy. So we're going to get ready to flip this over. Put it right back down in that sauce. Swirl around a little bit. This is going to cook up really quick. And depending on your desired doneness on this, will depend on how long you want to cook. I like mine fairly done, fairly well. So we're going to let that cook just a little bit, and I'm just going to keep an eye on it. So I've just been watching it. I'm just gently moving around a little bit every once in a while, so that way we make sure it doesn't stick. And also making sure the temperature is not too high to where we burn our sauce. So I think we're good so far. I'm going to let it cook just a little bit longer. So I just gave it a flip. I'm going to let it cook about another minute and take it out and let it rest. Okay, so they're out and they're resting. And then I'm going to take the last bit of the sauce that we made, right there like that. And I'm going to put it in this bowl over here, so that way we can have it to serve. And then I'm also going to just put a little bit Himalayan Sea Salt right on top of the fillets, since we didn't salt them. Just to look like a finishing salt, just a tiny bit. And there you have it. Seared tuna with a toasted sesame and soy sauce. Hope you enjoy.